China revolutionizes artificial intelligence and shakes the global market. What does this mean for you? China has just launched a new artificial intelligence, and the impact was immediate, not only on the US stock market, but also in the world of cryptocurrencies. The emergence of DeepSeek AI, developed by a Chinese company, serves as a wake-up call for Western industries. We need to focus and enter this competition to win. This technological breakthrough puts China ahead in the global AI race in a way that few expected. And more than that, this innovation did not come from giants like OpenAI, Google, or Meta, but from a Chinese lab that caught the world by surprise. What took years and billions of dollars for American companies to build, DeepSeek accomplished in just 2 months with an investment of less than $6 million. This isn't just another tech gadget or a trendy new cryptocurrency. We're talking about a massive leap in artificial intelligence. And the financial market has already reacted strongly. Mark Andreessen, one of the world's leading technology investors, described this advancement as absolutely incredible. And the most surprising part? This model is available for free for anyone to use. But what exactly can this new AI do? How did it manage to compete head-to-head with the biggest companies in the industry? And, more importantly, how could this impact your money, your investments, and even the balance of global power? Before we continue, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss upcoming content on technology, artificial intelligence, and financial markets. This helps us a lot in bringing more exclusive content for you. Now, let's dive into this topic. What is DeepSeek AI and why is it gaining so much attention? Unlike closed commercial AIs that dominate the market, such as OpenAI's ChatGPT and Anthropic's Claude, DeepSeek AI emerges as an open-source alternative, meaning it's accessible to everyone. The most impressive part? This model has outperformed some of the biggest names in artificial intelligence in various tests, including math, logic, and programming. Imagine an AI capable of creating entire video games from scratch, even in programming languages it wasn't originally trained on. Solving complex problems with unbelievable precision, analyzing patterns, and extracting logic from datasets. Adapting in real time, processing new information as it arrives, and explaining its own reasoning. Analyzing YouTube trends and predicting which videos have the greatest potential to go viral. And you know what makes all this even more astonishing? Major American companies spend over $5 billion per year developing similar technologies. Meanwhile, the Chinese built a highly efficient model for just $5.6 million. DeepSeek R1, one of the most powerful models from this Chinese lab, is 10 times cheaper than OpenAI's GPT-4 and in some cases delivers even better results. In tests, it outperformed models from OpenAI, Meta, and Anthropic in accuracy and performance, including challenges such as 500 complex math problems, coding competitions, identifying and fixing bugs in programming code. But there's something even more revolutionary about this model. It is completely free and open source. While OpenAI keeps its systems closed and charges extremely high fees for access to its technology, DeepSeek is democratizing artificial intelligence. This completely changes the rules of the game. But what is really behind China's rapid advancement in AI? How did China reach this level in such a short time? Unlike Silicon Valley giants, which have massive budgets and unlimited access to the world's best processors, DeepSeek had to operate under severe hardware restrictions due to US sanctions on China. Even with these limitations, Chinese researchers found extremely efficient solutions. They trained their AI using Nvidia H800 chips, which are less powerful than the H100s used by Western companies. They implemented an innovative learning model called Mixture of Experts, which allows for optimized processing load distribution. They used data compression techniques, reducing computational costs without compromising result quality. The result? China has managed to match, and in some cases surpass, OpenAI and Google, spending only a fraction of these companies' budgets. Now this raises an important question. If China has achieved this level of AI with so few resources, what else could be happening behind the scenes? Impact on the financial market. What does this mean for your money? The market reaction was immediate. In just one day, over $620 billion was wiped from the market value of major tech companies. Companies like Nvidia, which dominate AI chip production, saw their stocks plummet. After all, if China can create powerful AI models without needing Nvidia's most advanced chips, then perhaps these stocks are overvalued. And it doesn't stop there. If investors begin to doubt the US's supremacy in the AI race, the impact could be even greater. This could lead to a massive correction in the tech market, affecting big names like Microsoft, Google, and Meta. If you invest in the technology sector, it's crucial to keep an eye on this shift. And if you don't invest yet, this could be a huge opportunity to position yourself before the next big market move. But something even bigger is happening here. The new AI war, closed code versus open source. One of the biggest criticisms of OpenAI and other Western companies is that they keep their models closed, charging high fees for access. Meanwhile, China has taken a different path, open source and accessible to everyone. To give you an idea of the cost difference, OpenAI charges $440 per million tokens processed. DeepSeek charges just $0.10 per million tokens. This means that an entrepreneur wanting to create a customer service chatbot would spend $44 per month with OpenAI, while with DeepSeek, that cost would be only $1. If this trend continues, we could see a massive shift in AI adoption worldwide, with startups and companies migrating to Chinese AI models. And this brings us to the final question. What comes next? Conclusion. Where are we heading now? This could be one of the most decisive moments in the history of artificial intelligence. China has accelerated its AI advancements, and in just a few months, it has caught up with and potentially surpassed the US in a field that was once dominated by Silicon Valley. If DeepSeek and other open-source AIs continue to grow, we could see a new revolution in technology, financial markets, and even the balance of power between the world's major economies. What does this mean for you? If you're an investor, pay close attention to the changes in the tech sector. If you work with AI, prepare for the new wave of open-source models. And if you're simply following this world, know that we are witnessing one of the most important moments in AI history. If you found this content valuable, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. That way, you won't miss any updates and will help support our work in bringing you detailed insights and high-quality content. What do you think about all this? Leave your comment and let's discuss.